Hello students and welcome to the discussion on swap question 4. Okay, the question 4 deals with the currency swap. So as we have got familiarity with the interest rate swap, now let's try to understand with the currency swap, right? So the mechanism of swap remains the same, right? Either it is an interest rate swap or a currency swap. What we try to see here is the exchange of currency, right? It might be the same interest rate with a different currency, with a different interest rates. Let's try to understand the given situation. Here we have two companies named as AKR and RAK. Here the AKR wishes to borrow US dollar at a fixed rate. So the AKR is interested to convert the existing liability into the fixed rate of interest, and RAK wishes to borrow Japanese yen at a fixed rate. So Japan RAK company, which is would like to convert the existing liability into Japanese yen. Fine. So the amount required for the two companies are being given in a table. Fine. So the interest rates are being given where they can borrow at their own capability, and interest which they would like to convert, and the swap is also being given to you the wish. Fine. So design a swap dealer where the swap charges and a basis point of 50 basis point. Okay, so let's proceed with the step 1. So AKR is having a absolute advantage in both the yen and US dollar, right? Because AKR is a company where it has an advantage of 4% in terms of raising the loan in yen, Japanese yen, and which is less than compared to the RAK is 5.5, whereas AKR company having $8.6 wishes to borrow in US dollar, whereas RAK can borrow at a 9%. So we can say that AKR company is having an absolute advantage both in Japanese yen as well as like US dollar. Let's coming to RAK company, right? So RAK, we can say that it has a comparative advantage in US dollar where it has a marginal difference of 0.4. So in yen there is a difference of 1.5, but where in dollar there is a difference of 0.4. So hence we can say that RAK is having a comparative advantage in the US dollar. This is step 1. Now coming to the step 2 here. So let's assume that AKR is having a loan at a fixed rate, because as it has been given that AKR wishes to borrow in US dollar, right? So when they want to wishes to borrow in US dollar, the what we can assume that the existing loan that AKR is having in a yen, that is at 4%. Similarly, RAK company wishes to borrow in Japanese yen, so we can assume that RAK company is having existing loan in a fixed rate US dollar at a 9%. This is about step 2. Coming to the step 3, the objectives of each of the company under swap as it is given in a question, that AKR wishes to borrow in US dollar, right? So RAK wishes to borrow in a Japanese yen. Fine. So the same thing which has been shown in a step 4 here. AKR, as in the step 2 we have said, like it is having existing loan in Japanese yen and 4%, would like to borrow in a US dollar, which is shown in a green color arrow which is heading towards the swap, right? So similar in RAK company, which is having existing loan, which is represented in a blue color arrow, which is having existing loan and US dollar 9%, wishes to borrow in a Japanese yen, which is shown in a orange color arrow, which is shown towards the swap, that is would like to make a payment, that is in Japanese yen. The same swap dealer again will make a payment to the Japanese yen in AKR. AKR will make a payment to the his existing lender. So this is about step 4. Coming to the cost of borrowing with and without swap. So first let's calculate total cost of borrowing without swap. That is for AKR company it is 8.6, for RAK it is 5.5. So total cost of borrowing without swap comes out to be 14.1%. That is total cost of borrowing under swap. What happens here is 9 and the 4. If we simplify, right, we'll get the difference is 1.1. Since the swap charges is 0.5 deducting, so we'll get 0.6 as a benefit. So equally sharing the benefit 0.3, right? Each party will get a benefit of 0.3. So cost of benefit analysis, total cost for AKR without swap is 8.6. Under swap 8.6 minus 0.8.6 minus 0.3, that is 8.3, right? So I just updated here. AKR wishes to pay under a swap US dollar, that is 8.3 to the swap dealer, right? In return, the swap dealer will pay 9% US dollar to RAK. Why 9%? Because RAK is having existing loan of 9%, right? Now coming to the RAK company, total cost for RAK, without swap it was 5.5, under swap they are getting a benefit 0.3%, right? So total cost under swap for an RAK would be 5.2, right? Under RAK, the RAK will pay 5.2 Japanese yen, 5.2% of Japanese yen to the swap dealer. In return, the swap dealer will pay 4% to AKR company. In return, the AKR will transfer the same interest rate to the existing bank. Fine. So this is how the swap goes on for a currency swap. Fine. Thank you.